Welcome to Up All Night DIY. I'm Monica. Thanks for joining me. It's Summerween. To celebrate, our hostess, the mistress of crafting, Indiana Jones, has brought a tribe of us together to share some creepy summer crafts. Let's get into it. So to kick it off, I'm making this Sinister Surfboard. I've cut my surfboard from MDF. It's 13 inches tall, and I'll give it a base coat of Americana Pistachio mint. I've given it 2 coats, and now I'll add some spooky details. I've made a template on cardstock to add a border, and I'll trace that on. I'll paint the border with ceramic coat charcoal. I'll also give him some creepy features with charcoal. He needs some mean eyebrows. I'll tip dot his eyes with white, and I'll paint in some fangs with the white as well. I'll also add some highlights. For a little surfboard decoration, I've cut this bat from black vinyl with my silhouette. Bang 10. Get it? Ah. I'll give him a lightning bolt shaped highlight to his widow's peak. And just for some extra detail, a little line right there. I'll use my favorite, Folk Art floating medium, to apply some shading. I prep my brush with the floating medium, and I'll side load with some Americana Lavender, and I'll shade around the border. I'm just doing quick strokes, and I'll reload my brush whenever I need to. I'm shading both sides of the border with the lavender. Going around the bat wing. Now, to shade his face, I'll use some Americana Sour Apple. And I'll shade around the bat too. That'll give the bat a little dimension. You know I like to build my color, so I'm adding a layer of ceramic coat pumpkin along, but not really on top of, the sour apple. I'll clean up some of my lines with a black marker. And I'll seal it with clear matte spray. That is one Sinister Surfboard. Our hostess Annie will be giving one lucky viewer a box full of Halloween goodies. Watch all the videos in the playlist and leave a comment. Some creators may ask you a question, some may have a secret word. You must be a US resident to participate. I'm just asking that you tell me which of my projects is your favorite. Now back to our regularly scheduled DIYs. It wouldn't be Summerween without some scary ice cream. I've cut a popsicle shape from some scrap wood and I cut it down to size. I'll give both 2 coats of ceramic coat pumpkin. And I'm giving my jack-o'-lantern face with some charcoal. It'll be scary. I want him to look like he's been dipped, you know, like one of those chocolate coated popsicles. So I'll add some ripples at the bottom with charcoal. I wrap his stick with a strip of tape, swirling it downwards, and I'll give that a charcoal top coat. When it's dry, I'll peel off the tape to reveal the swirl. Cute. He's gonna need some eyebrows. And just like the surfboard, I'll shade this guy too. First with lavender, then with sour apple. And then of course, I'm just going to add some white highlights here and there, including on his stick. I spray it with clear matte sealer, and I'll pop the stick onto him, and then him onto the base, which is from my Mother's Day project. Scary ice cream. For my final project, I drew and cut out of cardstock a wee ghost. This is super easy and economical. This specter will have a beach ball, shades, and a bit of a sunburn. I cut his arms out separately so he can hold the beach ball. I've already painted the beach ball. You can always print beach ball clip art out for this, but you know, I want to shade and highlight mine. So I'll paint his lenses with Tropic Bay Blue. If I had paper this color, I'd have just cut out the lenses, but no such luck. Just adding some white highlights to his glasses and little lens reflection. For his sunburn, I'm using Ceramic Coat Sun-Kissed Coral. giving his arms a bit of sunburn too. And I'm using my black marker to add an outline to the ghost and to the ball. I use hot glue to assemble him. This was so easy and so cute. Anybody could do this. I glue a craft stick to the back and I'll add some magnets to the stick. I'll display him on my pizza pan, which I made last year, along with some bottle caps that say Beach Boo. I wanted it to say Bikini Beach, but I didn't have enough bottle caps. But this'll do. I'll link my pizza pan project down below. Sunburnt and so cute. Thank you, Annie, for bringing this clan together to celebrate Summerween. It was so much fun. Remember to watch all the videos and comment to participate in the giveaway. Happy Summerween. Stay creative, my friends. Thanks for hanging with me. See you next time. Up all night with Monica.